The focus is back on tokens. In this video, we will discuss operators, in specific arithmetic operators. Python provides us with 7 arithmetic operators, as you can see on your screen. We will discuss every operator with a suitable example. If you're looking to add two values, now these two values may be constants or literals, or they may be stored in variables, we can use the addition operator denoted by the plus symbol, as you can see in the cell which I have currently selected. I have two variables, myvar1 and myvar2. Now if I want to add them, I'll use the plus operator, and as you can see, the values that have been assigned to the variables myvar1 and myvar2 are 12 and 14 respectively. So if I add them, the result that I'll get is 26. So if I print out the value, as you can see, the value is 26. Similarly, we may want to subtract the values of two variables. So myvar1 has a value of 12, myvar2 has a value of 14. I'm looking to subtract myvar2 from myvar1. What I'll get is 12 minus 14, which is indeed minus 2. If I'm looking to multiply, I'll use the star operator. As you can see here, I've used the star operator, which I've highlighted, to multiply the values of two variables. So the value that I'll get is 12 into 14, which is 168. Next, we may want to perform division. So if I'm dividing the value of my var2, which is 14, by the value of my var1, which is 12, what I'll get is a fractional value which has been rounded off to the nearest integer. So as you can see that the value is a recurring value. So if you divide 14 by 12, this is the value that you get in fractions. Now, what if I don't want the fractional part? I want only the integer part. That means, what if I want to find the quotient of the division operator, of the division operation rather? So if I want to find the quotient, what I can do is I can use double slash. So if I use double slash, I'll get the quotient. So if I divide 12 by 5, the quotient happens to be 2. And that is exactly what I have got here. So in order to find the quotient, we can use double slash. If we find the, or if we want to find the result of the actual division operation, we can use a single forward slash, as you can see in this case, where we have received a value of 1.1 and then a number of 6, which has been rounded off. Now, what if you want to find not the quotient, not the actual result of division, but the remainder of the division? So if we want to find the remainder of the division operation, we can use the modulus operator denoted by the percentage symbol. So if I execute this, I find that the result is 12. I mean, the result is 0 rather, not 12. The result is 0. The reason is, if I divide 12 by 4, the remainder that I'll get is 0, because 4 evenly divides 12. Let's play around with this a bit. Let's say instead of 4, if I have 5. Now we know that if we divide 12 by 5, we get a remainder of 2. So if I execute this, I can see that the remainder is 2. The remainder is 2, right? So similarly, if I change it around, let's say I have 17. So if I divide 12 by 17, what is the remainder that I get? Since 12 is lesser than 17, I get the remainder as 12 itself. So just like we get the remainder in division operation without introducing the fractional part, that is exactly what happens here. So if you're looking to find the remainder, the mod operator is the way to go about it. And this is a very useful arithmetic operator, which we will use in a number of cases in the future videos. Now, what if we want to find the exponent? That means we want to find the value of a variable raised to the power of another variable. So if you want to find 3 to the power of 4 or 2 to the power of 6, so for such cases, we can use the exponent operator denoted by double star. Okay. So if I want to do my var2 raised to the power of my var1, that means 5 raised to the power of 3, we can use the double star. So here 5 to the power of 3 will be 125. So if I execute this, I find that the result is indeed 125. What if I do the opposite? What if I do my var1 raised to the power of my var2? That would mean 3 raised to the power of 5. So what is 3 raised to the power of 5? 3 raised to the power of 5 would be 243, and that is exactly what we get. So these were the various arithmetic operators available in Python. We will use these operators to build expressions which will help us to write concrete programs. If you found this video useful, do like it and subscribe to our channel. If you have any doubts, please feel free to leave them in the comment section below. I'll see you in the next one. I hope you found this video useful. Thank you.